Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all the newest working codes in Dress to Impress from the latest Lana's Apartment update. This is one of the most exciting updates in the game right now. It introduces the brand new Lana's Apartment location, along with fresh outfits, stylish accessories, and exclusive rewards that you can unlock using the latest codes. With these new codes, you can instantly get a lot of amazing rewards for free. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll be sharing every single code step by step, and you definitely don't want to miss any of them. Also, here's something special. If this video reaches 1,000 likes, I will pick some of you from the comments and send exclusive VIP gifts. So make sure to like, comment, and stay active. Now let's talk about how to redeem the codes. First, open Dress to Impress. On the main screen, you will see the Redeem Code option. Tap on it, and a small box will appear. Enter your code there, then press Confirm, and your reward will be added instantly. It's very simple and only takes a few seconds. Now let's move on to the latest working codes from the Lana's Apartment update. These codes are newly released, so make sure you use them quickly before they expire. Each code can give you exciting rewards like new outfits, cool accessories, exclusive items, and other special bonuses from this update. Here are a few quick tips for you. Try using all the codes together to unlock more rewards faster. And don't forget to check the game every day, because new codes are often released by the developers. Alright, now let's start redeeming the codes one by one so you can claim all the latest rewards and upgrades in the game.